before you publicly murdered an innocent man in the streets. Do I have that right?
Really define innocent. Good look. I'm a decorated combat veteran. Okay, I have a loving wife and a son.
Yeah, I know you, John. And you made your choices. I know it's been hard since the lady left you and took your kid, but still, this is on you.
John.
What, Olivia? What?
Please.
I'm watching him. He's fine.
You're in your phone.
You don't like the way that I do it, and you can do it yourself, okay?
Lover.
Oh,